Hello guys, today is I'm going to Madam house. Say hi to my She is Ambika of my friend of mine. Yes, she's anyway, she's shy about the camera but she don't have choice, no? Pinilit ko siya. So she said, "Hello, how are you?" I'm fine, thank you. Oh, she is Ambika. She's very nice. Yeah. This time we were waiting the other visitors because not all come. So we'll get ready to make a pasta. And after a few minutes, we're resting. Of course, we chika with my friend Ambika. Of course, we go back our work again. It's too much hugasin, guys. I'm speaking English because my friend doesn't know about Tagalog. So sometimes I make Tagalog, I make English. Because if I English straight, maybe my nose is dugo-dugo. So siya na mag-adjust because she's requested talking to English to understand here what I'm talking about our work, the holiday, because we're busy but we are so happy while we are cleaning the dishes and everything, arrange all the things. And thank you for watching. Bye.